Marcus Leach reporting for Fresh Business Thinking. We're here at Microsoft to talk to Tanya Shirlow about cloud computing and the benefits it has for small businesses.
There can be a lot of mystique around the word cloud. The way I like to think about it, in essence, it's any kind of service, software or data provided to you over the internet. It's no more complicated than that. If you take a service you might use at home today, internet banking is a very good example of a service you use today that may well be described as being a cloud service. And there can be lots of different benefits for business. A product that maybe you have on premise is physically located within your building. So take your email server, for example. You'll have a box physically located within your office. You can see it, you can touch it, it's delivering you your email. The only difference between that and a cloud, the service is the same, but someone else is managing the software, someone else has the box, and you literally are accessing it via the internet. So there's generally no real difference between the sorts of services that you access. You're just accessing them online rather than actually physically having that software and hardware located within your business. It could well be accessing capabilities that allow your employees to be productive from anywhere, be that the ability to work from home, to be able to be out on the road and make phone calls back to the office via kind of your PC. So for me, the first layer is about the new capabilities that it can deliver you. When you're a small business owner, manager running your business, actually what you're great at is servicing your customers and delivering great products for those customers. It's not necessarily a skill to manage IT, therefore allowing someone else to have that management is a great benefit for the business. With the cloud computing offering, the way in which you're having it delivered is it's a subscription service. And so the ability to pay for what you use is there. So as business booms and you need to scale up the service, you can. But actually when times are maybe a little bit leaner, you can actually scale back the service and scale back the cost. You can also, with a subscription service, turn your capital expenditure into operating expenditure. So actually there's a very different cost basis available to you. So I would say those are the three core benefits. Reliability and security are absolutely key for all businesses. And with cloud services, yeah, it's an absolutely critical thing. One thing to remember, however, is for cloud service providers, they've got a vested interest in making sure that that service is reliable and that service is secure, otherwise customers won't keep coming back for it. And one thing to think about in terms of security is if you provision your data, that service from the cloud, chances are it's going to be much more secure than maybe that physical server that's located within your own business or that laptop where you're keeping sensitive company information. So security, reliability is absolutely key, but obviously you need to make sure that actually what you're doing is looking at that service provider you're working with, what are their credentials, what are their service level agreements, and what are the layers of security, what are their security practices, making sure that actually your data is well protected.